This might be one of the most rapidly expanding Instagram theme pages I've encountered. The account named Valorgi surged from 0 to over 2 million followers within just 51 days. Impressively, they garnered their first 100,000 followers in just 11 days, 1 million in 26 days, and as mentioned earlier, 2 million in 51 days. They now boast over 3 million followers from merely 133 posts, averaging about 23,000 followers per post. So the burning question is, how did they manage this exceptional growth? I delved into every video posted on this page to uncover the secret behind their viral success. Interestingly, it wasn't merely by chance. I identified a unique niche and strategy that they leveraged to achieve such impressive results. Moreover, I discovered other pages employing the same strategic framework, also amassing millions of views, whereas many in this niche barely reach 1,000 views. In this video, I will outline the 3-step strategy, and I'll even demonstrate how you can replicate videos similar to those on Valorgi's profile using a hidden growth tool. This will include learning how to find your voice to sound identical to another, finding the clips, and editing in the easiest way. But before we dive into that, our first step involves selecting the right name. Valorgi is an ideal choice as it evokes the notion of valor, symbolizing heroic courage and bravery. This motivational niche is often overrun with subpar accounts featuring generic content like car visuals and uninspiring stock footage, making it crucial to create a distinctive identity. To develop our unique version of a name like Valorgi, we can simply turn to ChatGPT. I will request it to generate unique terms like Valorgi that are catchy and reflect themes of motivation, bravery, and progress. If you're not satisfied with these options, simply ask ChatGPT to generate a new one. For instance, it suggested a name like Valorize, which is quite compelling and motivational, so we'll use that for our project. The next step involves developing some stylish branding for our profile. Considering Valorgi, their emblem features a straightforward black and gold design topped with a crown. Black typically conveys luxury and sophistication, while the gold crown symbolizes power and wealth. A powerful combination indeed. However, to achieve a distinctive logo, I'll return to ChatGPT and request it to create a simple design for a brand named Valorize, specifying that the colors should be black and silver for a minimalist aesthetic. Check out this account. They have amassed 2.8 million followers from just 97 posts. This means they average about 28,000 followers per post uploaded. When we analyze Iron Will's content,
A man married a beautiful girl. He loved her so much. Once she developed a skin disease. Slowly, she started to lose her beauty.
and compare it with Valorgi's content,
10 clear signs of maturity. 1. When you know the other person is lying, but you just smile and let it go.
we can see some striking similarities. It's evident that someone took inspiration from Steve Jobs' quote, "Good artists copy, but great artists steal." Now, for the interesting part. I've examined every post on both accounts, and here's what I've discovered. First, they use an exceptionally captivating deep voice. Unless the owner naturally has an extraordinarily deep voice, it's likely an AI-generated voice, which I will unlock how to find and use later in this video. Second, their content primarily features inspirational quotes, short stories, and metaphors, complemented by B-roll images or background footage. Third, they utilize a black or dark theme in their videos. This dark aesthetic appeals psychologically by creating a sense of mystery and sophistication, which naturally draws viewers in and keeps them engaged. Fourth, they have outstanding thumbnails. Yes, thumbnails have now become very important on Instagram. Before we proceed further, we move on to our next stage in our procedure. Part 3, creating content. I understand that many of you struggle with editing, but today will be a departure from that. Creating similar content involves 4 main steps. The first step is finding quotes. Use ChatGPT and ask for famous motivational, inspirational, short stories or life lesson quotes or metaphors for 30, 45-second Instagram reels. The one which I found amazing is the bamboo tree motivation. If you aren't satisfied with the initial results, keep trying until you find a good story. Once you have the story, move on to the second step, finding a suitable voiceover. For the most engaging voiceovers, go to 11 Labs and sign up for free. Then go to Voices. Add, generate, or clone voices, and then Voice Library. You will find a variety of voices, from deep to excited. Note that some voices might be paid, requiring you to choose a paid plan. In the search bar, use the term deep, and in filters, choose male for gender and English for language. Select a voice that fits your needs. Here are some of the best voices available. I'm using the Carter the Mountain King's voice, which I found the most amazing. With the second part done, let's move on to part 3, video editing. If you don't enjoy editing, you can skip this part and use invideo.ai. Watch any tutorial on YouTube and follow the steps. For this guide, I'm using CapCut Video Editor to create engaging content. Open CapCut. Select a new project and place your audio here. You might be wondering about the media. Where do you find it? Consider where others source their videos. These videos are often not their own. They didn't record them but use them without facing copyright challenges. This is due to the fair use policy. So what is a fair use policy? Fair use allows the use of small portions of a copyrighted work, which is more likely to be considered fair use than copying an entire work. These pages typically collect multiple videos from all over the internet and usually use less than 5 to 7 seconds. There are 2 reasons for this: to avoid copyright issues and to keep the audience engaged. Additionally, when you use videos as they are, you're more likely to face copyright issues. And you will see that these guys change the videos into dark by color grading. There are also 2 reasons for this. By changing the color of the videos to dark, you avoid copyright issues, and the dark color naturally draws viewers in and keeps them engaged. Now, we have the answer to where to get the media. First, find suitable and engaging videos from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Ensure that none of the videos have any type of watermark. After gathering all the footage, return to CapCut where we left off. Drag and drop or click on Import to add all the footage. Crop your desired sections and place them onto the timeline. Repeat this process until you reach the last second of the voiceover. Now, we need to color grade all the videos on the timeline. If you have no knowledge of color grading, don't worry, you can do it with just 1 click. I've included a pack of 10 color LUTs in the description. Download them and extract them to your desired folder. Return to CapCut. Click on the adjustment button shown at the top left corner. Then click on LUT. Click on Import, select all the LUTs, and click Open. You will see all 10 LUTs listed. Choose one and press the plus icon, or simply drag and drop it onto the footage. It's that simple. Now we need to add background music. You can download the best music for free from Mixkit or Pixabay, both of which are user-friendly and free. Search for dramatic or any music you find the best. Download it and import it into CapCut. Decrease the volume of the background music so that it doesn't overlap with the voiceover.
Now that we've done everything else, only subtitles are left. Let's see how to do that. Click on the text button and then on Auto Caption. Select English in the language section and click Generate. The magic starts to happen. Wait a moment and the auto captions will be generated. Select a style from the caption template. For now, I'm using this style because it fits what we're looking for. Review the captions for any spelling errors and correct them before exporting the final video. Once you've finished everything, click on Export, and there you have it, the final video.
In the first year, the bamboo plant shows no growth, not even a sprout. The second year, still nothing. The third, fourth, and fifth years, it seems unchanged. But in the 6th year, it suddenly shoots up 90 feet tall in just 6 weeks. It wasn't that it didn't grow in those first 5 years, it was that it was developing its roots. Your dreams are like bamboo. They need time to build a strong foundation before they soar.
With the third part done, let's move on to part 4th, thumbnail. Let's head over to Canva and select the Instagram story canvas from the top right corner. To capture the audience's curiosity and encourage them to click on the video, we need the best possible image. You can use Google or Pinterest. I prefer Pinterest because it offers excellent images. Once you're back in Canva, import your chosen image and begin editing. Click on the image to select it, then click Edit Image. Navigate to Adjustments and adjust the values to your liking. For a black tone effect, decrease the saturation to 0. If the brightness is too intense, adjust that value as well. Next, add text to the image and finalize your edits. Download the image once you're satisfied. Alternatively, if you prefer not to do this manually, you can skip this step and choose a frame directly from Instagram when you upload the video. That's it. I've shared the best information to inspire you all to begin your journey towards success. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful. See you in the next video.